Hello guys, so ngayon may na-download akong isang app. Itong app is a paint drawing app na tinatawag nila na Clip Studio Paint. So yung Clip Studio Paint can be downloaded in the Play Store, and we need to use the tablet or a laptop, but on the laptop we need to have a drawing pad. So kasi gagamit tayo ng pen na ganito for a tablet and a laptop. So let's see if yung tools niya smooth ba gamitin, kaya ba natin mag-draw use yung Clip Studio Paint, ano ba yung mga additional properties na meron siya na pwede natin gamitin for drawing and sketches. So let's see if magaling ba gamitin or may mas maganda pa dito. So let's see the Clip Studio Paint right now. Okay, so ito na pala yung yung app. Ito yung Clip Studio Paint, no? So maganda yung features niya, maganda yung niya, yung design niya, especially yung mga tools na sa gilid. Maganda siya. So what we need to do here right now is maggagawa tayo ng new board for this. So kasi gagawa tayo ng design or a sketch here. Okay, so this is the default. Okay, so ito yung mga tools niya here. Meron siyang pen, pencil, eraser, meron siyang brushes, and especially meron siyang decoration here. So maganda siya kasi may mga decoration siyang available here, which is very useful for us as a designer. So right now, let's see what are these decorations looks like. Okay, so trees. Okay, so let's see lang maglalagay tayo ng trees here. Okay, good. So meron siyang trees here. Like for example, papalitan natin yung kulay nito. Gawin natin green kasi mas pangit kasi yung red. So let's see green. Okay, let's see. Alright, so magana siya. And next here is let's look also for the fallen leaves. Okay, so meron siyang available na mga decoration na pwede natin gamitin for drawing. Okay, great. So right now titingnan natin yung paano ba gamitin yung pen dito, ano ba yung use niya, and paano ba siya gamitin here. So right now here meron siyang mga available na mga kind of pen here, textured pen. Usually ginagamit ko na rin to, real G pen and the rough pen. So let's see the textured pen. Okay, try natin mag-draw ng something simple lang siya. Okay, palitan pala natin ng itim, pangit kasi yan. Okay, gagawa ko ng object dito. Alright, smooth siya gamitin. Okay. Pwede pala tayo gumawa dito ng animation, like anime character here. Ganda siya gawin. Yeah, smooth siya guys. Alright, so pangit yung drawing kasi dali-dali lang, pero okay siya gamitin guys. Alright, so how about the brush? Here is the brush. So marami siyang option here. Meron siyang paint and apply, all paint, and which is what I like here is the for the watercolor. This is the thick paint, and the watercolor which is I like is the watercolor splash. Okay, maganda kasi siya gamitin sa mga sketches like ganito. Yan. Painted lang siya pero maganda siyang gamitin, especially if you are like to paint. So if need lang talaga siya ng mahirap siya gawin sa beginning, pero makakaya natin siyang gawin in more practice pa. Okay, maganda siya guys, and marami siyang mga option na rin dito. May fill siya, and meron rin siyang selection area. If you want to select something, an object, or you want to select your own drawing here. And also here maganda guys, meron siyang text na pwede natin gamitin. Okay, so let's try use a text. Okay, magsusulat nga ako dito. Okay, try natin. Okay, lumalabas na yung mouse. So yeah, try natin nga. Okay, Bangkok. Okay, very good. So maganda siya guys. And pag pupunta ka naman sa sa pen ulit, meron siyang tinatawag na calligraphy. So yung calligraphy is very known for lettering, like magkaganito, pero actually hindi siya gumagana for now because ang nangyayari kasi ngayon dito is nag-start tayo mag-draw. So in order for us to make a calligraphy, we need to avoid this type of working with here because you need to focus first on the drawing. Okay, alisin ko muna yung yung text. Okay, alright, gumagana na siya guys. Yung calligraphy, mali pala kanina. Ang mangyari kasi lumagay tayo ng text, that is why yung yung brush, yung pen is hindi siya gumagana. Ganun pala, sorry. So yeah, so meron rin siyang eraser here, types of eraser. So pwede tayo mag-erase dito if we think na pangit siya, dahil hindi siya applicable for your drawing. So pwede natin siyang i-delete or erase, I mean. Okay, so very simple, workable, and I think this type of apps can be used. And meron naman siyang paid, at pwede mo naman siyang gamitin as practice. No need mo na siya na magbabayad or anything else. But what you need to do is to verify only using your email, and you can use this app as a practice. And soon, if you want to get the premium, so yeah, pwede mo siyang bilhin for your own. That is a one-time pay only. So yeah, next time, pag magaling na, pwede nang bilhin at pwede mo na siyang gamitin as your drawing equipment or your future work. Okay, thank you.